G'day cocktail lovers, I hope you've been keeping well. Hope you're ready for a bit of fun. In this video, I am going to play around a bit with a Pornstar Martini. Honestly, that's just the first of many sexual innuendos that I will not be able to resist. So, forewarned is forearmed. I'm going to work in as much innuendo as I can, because why wouldn't you? The Pornstar Martini is, according to multiple cocktail websites, by far the most searched cocktail recipe on the internet. In the UK, it's by far the most ordered cocktail in bars. I know a few people who work in bars in the UK and they say they're making them non-stop. It's right up there in the US and the rest of the world. Weird thing, it's not that great a drink. It's not a terrible drink, but there's no two ways about it. Calling it the Pornstar Martini was genius marketing, because it's the name that grabs people's attention, and it's not a terrible drink, and so people keep ordering it. Now, what's somewhat of a tradition is to serve it with a sidecar of Prosecco or a sparkling white wine, which I'm not going to do because it's superfluous. You can imagine I've got a Prosecco next to it. It's not the cocktail we're going to be tasting, it's just a sidecar, it's a bonus little treat. And I don't like Prosecco or champagne, sparkling white wine, don't like it. So you can use your imagination when I make the cocktail, or it's actually going to be cocktails. Because, as I said, gonna have a bit of fun. Who doesn't want to have fun with a Pornstar? I've made a few variants on a Pornstar Martini on the channel before. I thought, if you're really going to go there, go hard. Make it nuclear. As in, I love the term nuclear daiquiri for a daiquiri made with overproof rum. So I thought, why not go overproof with a Pornstar Martini? And when I made it before, it was part of my vodka is bullshit routine. A central element of a traditional Pornstar Martini is vanilla vodka. And as I said before, if you like drinking vodka, that's good for you. But in terms of a cocktail ingredient, it brings nothing. It just brings alcohol content. It doesn't bring any flavor. And if you say, oh, but vanilla vodka, look, I'm putting vanilla syrup in. You'll get the vanilla from that. But why not use a spirit that's got a bit of flavor? And in fact, why not use one that's got a bit of oomph with some overproofs? So I'm actually going to compare two. Also, I'm making this on a Friday night, so that means I get to kick off my Friday night with two overproof cocktails. Woo! Okay, so I'm going to, I put them over here. These are the ones I'm going to do. I'm going to do a Navy Strength Gin, an Australian gin, it's called Split Point from the Great Ocean Road Distillery. This is 57% alcohol. And for the rum, I actually have a couple of overproof rums, but I couldn't resist. I'm making a Pornstar Martini when you've got a rum that's 69% overproof. Nice. 69% alcohol by volume, I should say. Overproof rum. When it's the 69 rum, you have to do it. It's Plantation's OFTD. Also, a really good rum. And we've got the two, I've actually made them already. And I put them in different coupes so I wouldn't get confused. Yes, I'm having a threesome. Double fisting with my Pornstars. I said I was going to do a lot of that. I might ease off from here on in, but See, now that's a drink with flavour and personality. Alright. Hey, look, before I tell you which one's my favourite, we should go back in time and actually make them so you know how I got here. So, let's act like we're here to defeat the Hun. Get down to business. The business with the Pornstar Martini. I think I shall make the rum version first. 69, nice. Plantation's OFTD, which actually does not stand for old-fashioned traditional dark, stands for, oh fuck, that's delicious, which is apparently what they said when they first tried it. So this is what we're starting with. Again, if you were making a standard Pornstar Martini, you'd do 1.5 ounces or 45 mils of vanilla vodka. Because we're going nuclear, doing 1.5 ounces, 45 mils of Navy Strength rum. Now the first part of the passion fruit flavour, the Passoa liqueur, rather lurid colour this one, and we're just doing 1/2 ounce or 15 mils of passion fruit liqueur. I strained the insides of a couple of passion fruit earlier. because I don't want the pulp or the seeds in my drink. I mean, honestly, if you like the pulp or seeds in your drink, go for it. You weirdo. Personally, I don't, so I've strained it, and I'm going to add 2 ounces or 60 mils of the passion fruit juice. The final touch, some vanilla sugar. Apparently the original recipe, they would make a house powdered vanilla sugar. Literally just get caster sugar and vanilla bean pods, whip it up in a blender and actually use the granulated vanilla sugar in it. I'm doing a slightly easier route. I've got some vanilla syrup and I'm going to add half an ounce or 15 mils of vanilla syrup. And that is it for the ingredients. We add some ice to our shaker, put it together, bang it in hard. That's my usual innuendo, doubly appropriate for a Pornstar Martini. Banging it in hard and shaking it all about for about 10 seconds. We strain that into a chilled coupe. Rather bright orange colour from the passion fruit. And there we have our first nuclear Pornstar Martini. Now I'm going to do exactly the same thing, but with the Navy Strength Gin. And that's how I ended up spending my night with 2 porn stars, having a jolly old threesome. So, which one is best? It's overproof rum. Even with the strong flavours of passion fruit, that rum character comes through. The Plantation OFTD is a really good rum. It's great in cocktails. And the gin? Well, it's lighter and brighter, and with those gin characteristics, it's really going to come down to what you want. Me, personally, on those first sips, I'm thinking the 69 is the one that does it for me. The rum, it's got great character. But if you're a real gin fan, I absolutely recommend you make your Pornstar Martinis with gin rather than vodka, because it just tastes so much better. It's just got so much more personality and class. And we're doing Pornstar Martinis, you want to be classy. So, look, if you enjoyed that little exploration, I hope you'll come back and see more. So if you're not already subscribed to the channel, it'd be great if you did. Hit the notification bell so you know when I upload. Give the thumbs up so the algorithm says, yes, everyone likes a porn star. And we'll come back and explore more drinks at a later date. I hope to have you here with me. But until then, please do take care of yourself. Take care of the people around you. And I shall leave you back on my double fisting bullshit and just say cheers.